Welcome to Sigasi Studio. This video demonstrates how to set up your license in Sigasi Studio. The first time you start Sigasi Studio, you'll end up with a default workspace which contains tutorial projects to demonstrate some of Sigasi Studio's features. Your license probably won't be configured yet. This causes the welcome screen to be displayed. If you don't have a license yet, a free trial license can be requested by clicking the Try button. You'll be directed to a trial license request form with the MAC address of your computer pre-filled. To configure your license, you can either just click the Sigasi logo in the lower right corner or press the Configure button in the welcome screen. This will open the license key settings. If you're going to use a floating license, enter the network address of the license server in the license key path configuration. Your license administrator will provide you with the required path. If you have a node-locked license file, you can select it using the Browse button, or you can click the Edit button and copy-paste your license. Then press OK. You should make sure you have entered a valid license. Any errors will be marked in red, and your license will not be usable. For example, if the MAC address of your computer does not match the MAC address in the license file, this will be reported here. For educational licenses, we do require the use of the talkback feature, which can be enabled in the talkback settings, using the Enable Talkback check button. Press Apply and Close, and you immediately can start using Sigasi Studio with your license. Discover all other exciting features at insights.sigasi.com.